क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। व्हाट इज द नेशनल सॉन्ग ऑफ इंडिया? भारत का राष्ट्रीय गीत क्या है? राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम इज द नेशनल सॉन्ग ऑफ इंडिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। व्हाट इज द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ इंडिया? भारत का राष्ट्रीय गान क्या है? राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज जनगण मन। जनगण मन is the national anthem of India. It is composed by famous Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 3. What is the national flag of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय ध्वज क्या है? Right answer for this question is तिरंगा. Tiranga is the national flag of India. Question number 4. What is the national animal of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय पशु क्या है? Right answer for this question is tiger. Tiger Bagh is the national animal of India. Question number 5. What is the national heritage animal of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय विरासत पशु कौन सा है? Right answer is elephant, हाथी. एशियाई हाथी is the national heritage animal of India. Question number 6. What is the national bird of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय पक्षी कौन सा है? Right answer is peacock, मोर. It is the national bird of India. Question number 7. What is the national aquatic animal of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय जलीय जीव कौन सा है? Right answer is Gangetic dolphin, गंगा dolphin. It is the national aquatic animal of India. Question number 8. What is the national tree of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय वृक्ष कौन सा है? Right answer is banyan tree, but bricks. It is the national tree of India. Question number 9. What is the national flower of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय फूल क्या है? Right answer is lotus, कमल. कमल का फूल is the national flower of India. Question number 10. What is the national calendar of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय कैलेंडर क्या है? Right answer for this question is Saka calendar. Saka calendar is the national calendar of India, where the first month of the year is Chaitra. Question number 11. What is the national currency of India? भारत की राष्ट्रीय मुद्रा क्या है? Right answer is rupee or rupiah. It is the national currency of India. Question number 12. What is the national vegetable of India? भारत की राष्ट्रीय सब्जी कौन सी है? Right answer is pumpkin, कद्दू. It is the national vegetable of India. Question number 13. What is the national river of India? भारत की राष्ट्रीय नदी कौन सी है? Right answer is गंगा. गंगा is the longest river of India as well. Question number 14. What is the national emblem of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक क्या है? Right answer is lion, capital of Emperor Ashoka. सम्राट अशोक की सिंह राजधानी is the national emblem of India. Question number 15. What is the national fruit of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय फल क्या है? Right answer is mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. UP is the state where maximum amount of mango is produced in India. Question number 16. What is the national motto of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय आदर्श वाक्य क्या है? Right answer is Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate has been taken from Mundaka Upanishad. You should know that. Question number 17. What is the national language of India? भारत की राष्ट्रीय भाषा क्या है? Right answer is there is no national language. Friends, remember that there is no national language of India. There are official languages such Hindi and English, but there is no national language of India. Question number 18. What is the national sports of India? भारत का राष्ट्रीय खेल कौन सा है? Friends, you should remember that there is no national sports of India. भारत का कोई राष्ट्रीय खेल नहीं है. क्रिकेट और हॉकी ये दो दावेदार है ये नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स बनने के लिए, बट देयर इज नो नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स फॉर इंडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. हु इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? भारत का मुखिया कौन है? Right answer is the President of India. The President of India is the head of the state of India. Question number 20. What is the highest law of land? भूमि का सर्वोच्च कानून क्या है? Right answer is Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the highest law of land. Question number 21. Who is the final interpreter of the Constitution? संविधान का अंतिम व्याख्याकार कौन है? Right answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India is the final interpreter of the Constitution. Question number 22. What is the apex court of India? भारत का सर्वोच्च न्यायालय कौन सा है? Right answer is Supreme Court of India. It is the apex court of India. Question number 23. When did India got independence from the British Raj? भारत को ब्रिटिश राज से कब आजादी मिली? Right answer is 15th August 1947. Question number 24. When was the Constitution of India adopted? भारत का संविधान कब अपनाया गया था? Right answer is 26th November 1949. This is the date when the Constitution of India was adopted. Question 25. When was the Constitution of India came into force? भारत का संविधान कब लागू हुआ? Right answer is 26th January 1950. It is the date when the Constitution of India came into force. Question number 26. When is the Independence Day of India celebrated? भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? Right answer is 15th August. 15th August Independence Day is celebrated in India. Question number 27. When is the Republic Day of India celebrated? भारत का गणतंत्र दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? Right answer is 26th January. 26th January Republic Day is celebrated in India. Question number 28. Who was the first president of independent India? स्वतंत्र भारत के प्रथम राष्ट्रपति कौन थे? Right answer is Rajendra Prasad. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India. Question number 29. Who was the first prime minister of India? भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री कौन थे? Right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of independent India. Question number 30. Who was the last governor general of independent India? स्वतंत्र भारत के अंतिम गवर्नर जनरल कौन थे? Right answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Chakrabarti Raja C. Gopalachari was the last governor general of India, and he was the first Indian to become governor general of India as well.